Hi everyone, I'm Brad Feldhouse.
And Allison Volkerding with the Ram Real Estate Group. We are here at 8641 Doris Place.
This is a brand new custom built ranch by Beasley Homes. We're still under progress, construction going underway. We're about to be wrapped up in the next week or so. A little sneak peek for you. Let's go in and check it out. This open concept is great for any style of living. Cocktails with friends, the Sunday football game, or a chill movie night. You've got custom cabinetry, a massive 10-foot island with a view right into the living room. Can't beat it.
You cannot beat this primary suite with a walk-in closet and a beautiful high-end finished bathroom. Let's check it out.
The basement is framed in for 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath, just ready for your personal touches, featuring a great walkout to the backyard. Check out this amazing back covered porch featuring a wooded lot, leveled off for any kind of backyard entertainment that you would like.
If you have any questions or would like your own private tour, give us a call at the Ram Real Estate Group.